Hello everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and I have Taffy with me today. Yes, her name is Taffy. I don't know why. She is a pull-up doll, one of the few in my collection, and I have been going through my dolls one at a time every day this year in 2026. And she's the last one that I'm actually going to be talking about because she's the last one in my little collection, and I'm going to put them all together at the end of this video in case you missed the other videos that I did where I talked individually about each one of these dolls and my thoughts on them as I kind of reevaluate who's staying, who's going. Yeah, she's really cute. She has this sort of Southwestern boho vibe that I really like. I just lost one of her shoes here. Okay, the other one is still on her foot, but her shoes fall off a lot. They're these little short little boots. So super cute, but not super practical. She's got this amazing dark hair. Beautiful, very nice. It's a little dry on the ends, but generally speaking, it's in really good shape. And she's got very sweet blushing. Show her eyes. Beautiful, beautiful blue eyes and those little eyebrows. And oddly enough, I mean, if you were going to give her eyeshadow, what color would you give her? So I would have picked blue or brown. She has pink. I think that's a little odd. And I'm not going to keep it closed because it's really hard to reopen. They have these little knobs on the backs of their heads. So similar to Blythe dolls, they can, they have bigger than usual eyes and a little bit bigger than usual heads, but they only have one color of eyes. And then there's a lever here in the middle that you can push this little lever back and forth and their eyes move back and forth. And then you push these buttons here and that's when their eyes close. And some of these dolls, as I've been playing with them and looking at them again, I've, discovered or rediscovered that it's almost impossible once I push that little button. It's really hard. Once you push it and it's closed all the way, if you push it again, it doesn't open up all the way sometimes. So I hesitate to do that. She has this beautiful beaded necklace, this lacy Kaftan kind of thing here with a beautiful trim. And then this super pretty maxi dress slit way up here. And then it's kind of tied here. Now she has some other accessories. She has this ridiculous hat that, I mean, it's almost totally flat. And I have tried and tried to display her with this hat and it just won't, it doesn't fit on her head. So I've actually just put it away in a drawer. Typically I have her wear this, which is like a headband. Okay. And this is a lot cuter on her, I think. It's a little hippie boho vibe, I guess you could say. So definitely, yeah. Again, it's a little weird. Takes a while for me to get her all set up, get this to work, get the shoes on so they don't fall off. And as usual, these dolls always came with a stand. I'll put a video of her original unboxing down in the description for you guys if you want to take a look-see. And I can't remember if I told you her date, but I think she came out in 2016, if I'm correct. Yeah, very, very pretty doll. Of all of the dolls, I have 5 pull-up dolls. Okay, I'm looking at them over there, and I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to try to take a quick video and put it at the end of this so you can see them all together. Of the 5 that I have, she's probably my least favorite. If I had to, somebody said, girl, you got to get rid of one of them, she would be the first to go. I feel like. Though, I don't know. Maybe Fräulein, because her hair, Fräulein's hair, I cannot touch. This hair, I'm able to touch. So, yeah, maybe between those two, if I had to have somebody let go. But there's room in the curio. These are just display dolls. I don't really see me getting rid of them anytime soon. I don't see a reason to let them go. I do have space for them But I don't know. We'll see. I'm thinking over my whole collection this year, and I have, at this stage, let go quite a few dolls, so you never know. You never know. All right, so let me know what you guys think of Taffy and Pullip dolls in general and the boho look that she's rocking here. By the way, I forgot to mention she also has this ridiculous clutch purse that I am amazed I have not lost. Right? Yeah, I feel like she really should have had maybe like a backpack or maybe a purse like Mamori has here. But here's the whole group, the whole gang. Yep, a small collection of pull-up dolls. I just love, love, love their clothing. Their sweet faces. We have Romantic Alice Blue. She also came in pink. There was like a bazillion pull-up Alice dolls. And then we have Meryl. We have Fräulein. And then we have Mamori. I have to fix your little, your little bow there, girls. Look at her cute little lips. Look how cute they are. A little blush on her nose. And then we have Taffy. All right, guys, let me know what you think down below. As usual, please give us a thumbs up, and I'm saying goodbye again. Bye-bye.